Data analysis is a lot like baking a cake. Both require precision, attention to detail, and a clear understanding of the desired outcome. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts to create something delicious. In baking, this means measuring flour, sugar, and other ingredients accurately. In the world of data, those ingredients are clean, reliable data. Just as a baker wouldn't use spoiled milk or rotten eggs, a data analyst must ensure their data is free from errors and inconsistencies. Without it, your analysis, like a poorly made cake, will be unappetizing and lead to misleading results. Imagine presenting a cake that looks perfect on the outside but tastes terrible because of poor quality ingredients. Data cleaning is the process of preparing your raw data for analysis, ensuring it's accurate, consistent, and ready to reveal its valuable insights. This involves identifying and correcting errors, filling in missing values, and ensuring consistency across the dataset. Imagine trying to bake a cake with flour that's full of lumps or sugar that's clumpy and damp. The end result would be far from desirable, and the same goes for data analysis. Your cake won't rise properly, and the taste will be far from what you desired. Similarly, if your data is not clean, your analysis will not yield the accurate and insightful results you need. Similarly, if your dataset is riddled with errors, inconsistencies, and missing values, your analysis will be flawed. This can lead to incorrect conclusions and poor decision-making. The results you obtain will be unreliable, leading to inaccurate interpretations and potentially flawed decisions. This can have significant consequences, especially in fields like healthcare, finance, and scientific research. Data cleaning is the foundation upon which sound statistical analysis is built. Without a solid foundation, any analysis you perform will be shaky at best. It's the crucial first step that can make or break your research. By ensuring your data is clean, you set the stage for accurate and meaningful analysis. By investing time and effort in cleaning your data, you are essentially ensuring that the foundation of your analysis is strong and reliable. This investment pays off in the form of trustworthy results and sound conclusions. Just like a chef meticulously prepares their ingredients before even turning on the oven, a skilled data analyst understands the critical importance of data cleaning. They know that the quality of their analysis depends on the quality of their data. It's about transforming raw, messy data into a refined and trustworthy data set, ready to be analyzed and to yield meaningful insights. This transformation process is essential for uncovering the true value hidden within the data. Clean data allows for more accurate predictive modeling and better visualization of trends. It enables analysts to make informed decisions based on reliable information. When data is clean, analysts can confidently present their findings to stakeholders, knowing that their insights are based on solid evidence. This builds trust and credibility in their work. Reflecting on the importance of data cleaning, it's clear that this process is not just a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment to maintaining data quality. Ensuring future data quality is a continuous effort that pays dividends in the long run. Ultimately, the effort put into data cleaning is rewarded with successful analysis and accurate results. It's a crucial step that cannot be overlooked if you want to achieve the best possible outcomes in your data-driven endeavors. Raw data in its natural state is often messy and unreliable. It can contain a multitude of errors, inconsistencies, and irrelevant information that can severely compromise the integrity of your analysis. This is where data cleaning comes in as a critical step in the research process. Think of a dataset as a giant, messy room filled with boxes of different sizes and shapes, each containing information. Some boxes might be labeled incorrectly, others might have missing items, and some might even contain duplicates. Data cleaning is like organizing this room, ensuring each box is correctly labeled, filled with the right items, and free from duplicates. The benefits of cleaning data are numerous and far-reaching. By removing errors and inconsistencies, you are ensuring that your analysis is based on accurate information. This leads to more reliable results that can be trusted to make informed decisions. Moreover, cleaning data makes it easier to work with. When your dataset is organized, formatted consistently, and free from irrelevant information, it becomes much simpler to analyze and interpret. This saves you time and effort in the long run, allowing you to focus on what matters most, extracting meaningful insights from your valuable data. Data errors can creep into your dataset from various sources, often lurking unnoticed until they skew your analysis. These errors can be subtle, making them difficult to detect without a thorough examination. Recognizing these common errors is the first step towards a clean and reliable dataset. By identifying the culprits early, you can take corrective measures to ensure the integrity of your data. One common culprit is human error, where data is entered incorrectly, leading to typos, inaccurate values, or missing entries. These errors can occur at any stage of data collection and entry, making vigilance essential. Imagine a survey where someone accidentally enters their age as 200 instead of 20. This simple mistake can have significant repercussions. This outlier will drastically affect any analysis involving age, skewing the results and potentially leading to incorrect conclusions. Data entry errors can happen due to fatigue, lack of attention, or simply pressing the wrong key. These mistakes are often unintentional but can have a profound impact on the dataset's accuracy. Another common error is data duplication, where identical or nearly identical records appear multiple times in your dataset. This can be particularly problematic when dealing with large datasets. Data duplication can occur during data entry, merging datasets, or importing data from different sources. Each of these processes introduces the risk of creating duplicate records. Duplicate records can inflate your sample size, leading to inaccurate statistical calculations and misleading conclusions. This can compromise the validity of your analysis and the decisions based on it. Inconsistent data formats pose another challenge. When data is recorded in different formats, it can be difficult to standardize and analyze effectively. Imagine a dataset with dates recorded in multiple formats, some as day/month/year, others as month/day/year, and yet others as year/month/day. This inconsistency can create havoc during analysis, especially when sorting or filtering data based on dates. It can lead to errors in data interpretation and analysis, making it difficult to draw accurate conclusions. Outliers or extreme values that deviate significantly from the rest of the data can also distort your analysis. These outliers can be genuine extreme values or errors in data collection or entry. Identifying and handling outliers appropriately is crucial for obtaining accurate statistical measures and interpretations. This involves using statistical techniques to detect outliers and deciding whether to exclude them or adjust the analysis accordingly. By being aware of these common data errors and taking steps to address them, you can improve the quality and reliability of your dataset. This will lead to more accurate analyses and better informed decisions. In summary, data errors can come from various sources, including human error, data duplication, inconsistent formats, and outliers. Recognizing and addressing these issues is essential for maintaining the integrity of your data and ensuring accurate analysis. By implementing robust data validation and cleaning processes, you can minimize the impact of these errors and enhance the overall quality of your dataset. This will ultimately lead to more reliable and meaningful insights from your data analysis. Remember, the key to successful data analysis lies in the quality of your data. Take the time to identify and correct errors, and your efforts will be rewarded with more accurate and actionable results. You can now use this data for your further analysis. Once you've identified potential errors and fixed them, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start looking at your data using SPSS, a powerful statistical software package. The first step in this process is to screen your data for errors. SPSS allows you to easily sort and filter your data, making it simpler to spot inconsistencies, outliers, and missing values. You can use frequency tables and descriptive statistics to get a sense of the distribution of your data and identify any unusual patterns. Sorting and filtering are fundamental techniques in data cleaning. By sorting your data, you can quickly identify any anomalies that stand out, such as values that are out of the expected range. Filtering, on the other hand, allows you to focus on specific subsets of your data, making it easier to spot errors and inconsistencies. Frequency tables and descriptive statistics are invaluable tools in this process. They provide a quick overview of your data, showing you the distribution of values for each variable. This can help you identify any outliers or unusual patterns that may need further investigation. Once you've identified potential errors, the next step is to address them. Duplicate records, for example, can be tackled using SPSS's Identify Duplicate Cases function. This handy tool allows you to find and remove duplicate records based on one or more variables, ensuring each record in your dataset is unique. Removing duplicates is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data. Duplicate records can skew your analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions. By using the Identify Duplicate Cases function, you can ensure that your dataset is accurate and reliable. In addition to removing duplicates, it's also important to address inconsistent data formats. SPSS provides various functions for converting data types and standardizing formats. For instance, you can easily convert text dates to a consistent date format or recode categorical variables to ensure consistency in their categories. Standardizing data formats is essential for accurate analysis. Inconsistent formats can lead to errors and make it difficult to compare data across different variables. By using SPSS's data conversion and recoding functions, you can ensure that your data is in a consistent format, making it easier to analyze and interpret. For example, converting text dates to a consistent date format can help you avoid errors in your analysis. Text dates can be tricky to work with as they may be entered in different formats or contain errors. By converting them to a consistent format, you can ensure that your date-related analyses are accurate and reliable. Similarly, recoding categorical variables can help you ensure consistency in your data. Categorical variables such as gender or occupation may be entered in different ways, leading to inconsistencies. By recoding these variables, you can ensure that they are consistent and easy to analyze. Outliers can be handled in several ways depending on the nature of the outlier and the goals of your analysis. SPSS allows you to identify outliers using box plots, scatter plots, and z-scores. Once identified, you can choose to remove them, transform them, or keep them in the analysis while acknowledging their potential influence. Deciding how to handle outliers is an important step in the data cleaning process. Outliers can have a significant impact on your analysis, so it's important to carefully consider how to address them. In some cases, it may be appropriate to remove outliers, while in other cases, it may be better to transform them or keep them in the analysis. Ultimately, the goal of data cleaning is to ensure that your data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. By using SPSS's powerful tools and features, you can streamline the data cleaning process and ensure that your data is in the best possible shape for analysis. So roll up your sleeves and get started with SPSS today.